enhancing aesthetics. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. So if you are new here or if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon, this video, share to your friends, family members. Modern minimalist kitchens are characterized by clean lines, sleek surface and a lack of clutter. Opt for handless cabinets in glossy finishes or matte textures. Prepared with intricate applications to maintain a seamless look. Natural color palettes such as whitish, grays and blacks dominate this style, after accented with metallic elements like stainless steels or a chrome wrapped hidden storage solution to keep countertops free from unnecessary items, enhancing the minimalist appeal. So first of all, like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon, this video, share to your friends, family members. The farmhouse kitchen design is warm and inviting, features natural materials and cozy rustic aesthetics. This wooden cabinets bestow low countertops and open shelving for displaying charming and display and cookware. A large farmhouse sink, usually proclaimed, can be a focal point prepared with a vintage style features. Add a kitchen is planned with a wooden top for extra workplace and seating. Soft muted colors like cream, soft green and a light blue work well in this design, often complemented by slab walls or a subway tile backsplash. Industrial kitchens draw inspiration from old factories and industrial spaces. This style combines raw and unfinished elements with modern touches. Exposed brick walls, concrete countertops, and open shelving with metal brackets or key features. In conclusion, each kitchen design style offers unique elements that cater to different tastes and functional needs. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more home garden decoration. Whether you prefer the sleek look of modern minimalist or the cozy feel of farmhouse kitchen, these ideas can help you with your home. Thanks for watching.